right, it is a cheaty photo, right? We have people that developed purely for talent, right? Then we're probably missing David Beckham because, he was probably the first that decided actually brand endorsements is a way to actually make more money. And then we see this happening. Moving into social media. And obviously we saw what happened with Spain, in the Euros. He was learning because he had to, but he was learning because it was his ticket to competing in the Euros, because Germany have very, very strict regulations. Do we know? Oh, sorry.
Thank you.
Please.
But also we have elite players that continue their education to the highest level. We have, for example, who's today here, Giorgio Chiellini, who's a PhD in law.
Yes.
And at the same time, we have Juan Mata, who reached a million level. At the same time, they have...
Okay, but let's be honest. In football, if you are talented and top player, you can skip school, keep playing, and nothing happens.
I think until we change the culture, until teams decide, actually, we shouldn't have to compromise, right?